Hello, I'm Lewis Capaldi. Today I'm here with Twisted and they're going to be putting a spin on my favourite hangover meals, pizza and mac and cheese. This is depressing when I say it out loud, but I don't think I'm ever happier than when I'm just debilitatingly hungover with some pizza and mac and cheese. Basically when I'm hungover, I'm just holding out until I can pick up the phone and order something from an establishment. Takeaway food is just better than normal food. I don't know what it is. I mean, I do know what it is. It's deep frying and fat and acid and fucking salt. There's something about getting mac and cheese in a little Tupperware box that just makes me enjoy it a little bit more. But then there's also like red box cheesy pasta. Do you get that down here? It's like this pasta in a box, and you get like this powdered, it's like a powdered cheese, and you put the whole thing in the pot, and it's like, it makes this really weird noise. It's like when you're mixing it on, it's pretty disgusting. But then you eat it, and it's fucking glorious. It's just lovely. And it reminds me of being a child. Red box cheesy pasta, crinkle cut chips that you put in the microwave, the McCain's ones, in the little box. She is the light of my life, my mother, and I love her so much. But she's a f***ing terrible cook, so she neglected to cook anything that was remotely delicious. Do I ever cook? No. I can do cheesy pasta. I can make myself an omelette. I can do chips in the oven. I can do chicken nuggets in the oven. Turkey dinosaurs in the oven. Turkey Twizzlers in the oven. Any 6-year-old's dinner, I can probably rustle up. I like to think back to simpler times when I wasn't such a disgusting oaf of a man, sitting in my bed on a Sunday while people are out. You see people on Instagram going on fucking hikes on a Sunday. Get a fucking life. So for food we have in a rider, I really love salted popcorn. Sweet can take a to itself. I don't like caramel. If you mix them together, I think that's fucking blasphemous. I mean, everyone has different preferences, but it's my name on the fucking poster. But get the salted popcorn. Fuck off. My favourite delivery place is probably called Tony's Fish Bar, and they have a pizza bar next door. They actually live in my street, so I'm rubbing shoulders with the upper echelons. And yeah, they just do a very good pizza. I don't like the pizza to be too fancy. If it's just going to go in my body, I don't want fancy things in my body. I just want lovely regular things in my body. I'm not looking to be blown away. There's no craft. I don't want there to be crafts involved in my pizza. I just want a regular pizza from a chippy, and Tony's managed to do that terrifically. So hats off to them. Every year we give each other Christmas cards, and it's like a really nice thing. Big shout out to Tony's Fish Bar, Whitburn Main Street. Whoever says money cannot buy you happiness has never ordered 3 takeaways in the same day. It's glorious. Breakfast, lunch and dinner, it's fucking amazing. I don't really like pizza, it's very soupy and very like, it's like off. Just give me something that looks processed. It has to be extremely greasy. And yeah, I'll just sit, order that, wait, door goes, I answer it, I lean out, because I'm definitely, if you think I'm putting pants and a shirt on, you're wrong. So I kind of lean out and I say, hello sir, how may I help you today? And he says, I've got your pizza here, Lewis. And I say, fucking give me it. And then he gives me it, and I give him money. This is textbook ordering a takeaway, you've all done it before. I give him the money, he gives me the pizza, I fuck off upstairs, I close the door, lights go off. I can't stress that enough, I'm in my pants. And I sit on my laptop, it's always on my chest. It's like being in a cinema. The Odeon, do you know what I mean? Since the girlfriend's left, no one's telling me, Lewis, this is f***ing disgusting. Please, Lewis, let's go do something. Get the laptop off your chest. It's not a cinema, we could just go to the cinema. The whole pineapple on pizza thing and the debate surrounding that, care about other things more, because who gives a f*** what you put in your pizza? I don't think you should ever put razor blades on top of pizza, that's probably not a good move. Broken glass, barbed wire. Right now I'd say jalapenos are a pretty good one, and then you get like a bit of garlic mayonnaise and you dip it in and you shove it in your mouth, and it's just lovely. I like getting food and then just choosing a dip or a sauce or a condiment that just makes all the food taste like that one condiment. Basically what I like eating is a tub of garlic mayonnaise, and I just need something to put it on. Do you know what I mean? It could be a human body part, and I wouldn't mind so much. So my last meal would probably include, to be fair, it'd probably be just like a plate of chicken wings, plate of chicken nuggets, plate of like chicken flavoured crisps, maybe like a KFC. You know how those, you get like an ice blast from the cinema. There would definitely be pizza and mac and cheese available. Anything that looks like it might kill me in my early 40s and leave my children and my wife behind. Oh my, thanks very much, thank you. Oh, it's warm. Right, now this is definitely a pizza. I've had one before, they look like this. Is it open? Is it cut? Oh yes. Oh my god. Has it got mac and cheese inside the pizza? Alright, well, tell my wife and kids I love them in advance. It's f***ing, what time is it? 9 AM in the morning? 9 AM in the morning. later. Right, okay. Oh, it's scalding hot. It's a fucking winner. It's an absolute winner. Bring it over, what's this? Is this scarlet mayonnaise? Oh, yes, man. This is definitely going to fall in, it's going to make some sort of soupy. Okay, this is... I've definitely seen videos of me eating online before and I saw they were very gross, but I'd imagine there's some perverse man or woman out there who gets off on it, so this one's for you. Oh, it's lovely. So let's imagine for a moment the pizza has giblets. Have I got, mate, who cares? The giblets of the pizza, it's like we've stuffed the pizza with mac and cheese. Who made this? But you got to come round mine when I'm hungover. But this has been lovely. I've had a smashing time. Thanks very much to Twisted for giving me this and furthering my issues with my body weight and I can't wait for people online to screen grab this and talk about how fat I am and compare me to Meatloaf for, you know, the 7. Oh, there it goes in my jeans. Thanks very much. Goodbye. Oh, have I got a napkin?
Yeah, have we got any?
That is class. I would recommend it. I'm gonna fancy a dip.
Yeah, man. Oh, it's good.